So the influence of when we eat kombucha or fermented food is a global influence. It influences the microbiome globally. To some degree make neurotransmitter, but they don't cross the blood-brain barrier directly, but have a indirect influence on how your brain actually works. Now, a lot of this we're still learning about, and we don't have complete answers to, right? We don't know how, there are thousands of species of bacteria in your gut, different types, thousands, and the total number of them are in the trillions. So out of the thousands of species, we don't know what one specific food will do to one specific species of bacteria. So the influence of when we eat kombucha or fermented food is a global influence. It influences the microbiome globally. So, which is actually even more impressive than a very specific action, right? Imagine if you eat kombucha, it only impacts one specific gut bacteria. Well, that's not going to be very useful in the long run. But because it impacts things globally, the entire population of the gut bacteria, then that can have a very large impact on the health of your microbiome. Therefore, they're going to be able to produce various metabolites and impact your brain. So to come back around full circle, it's not really just the brain gut or the gut brain, it's brain, immune, and gut. So a lot of people leave out the immune in the middle of it, but the brain immune gut axis, rather than just the brain gut or gut brain axis, is really what drives all of this. And I think bringing the immune system into this conversation is important, because then that helps you to link it how brain gut connection or dysfunction leads to autoimmune. It's an immune system problem, leads to chronic inflammation.